This video is brought to you by Bridge Gap, daily case studies, practice questions, and more, to help you switch to digital career profiles. And now, here is the case study of the day.
Okay, so what are the elements of a mobile-friendly website? A responsive design. A responsive site allows you to build one site that works on virtually every design and platform. Okay, now when you are designing in the website design session, you'll actually choose a template which now when you have to check if that template looks good on both website and mobile, but if it does not, then you may have to, like in this case, if the template is not looking good on the mobile, so then you have to have a version of the site only for the mobile. Okay, so that is possible in modern website management platforms. Okay, and then the other, like design for fingers. Basically the call to action buttons that you have here, okay, those have to be big enough so that fingers can actually click on it. Here there are no call to action, but if there's a call to action button, it should be big enough for someone to click on it. Okay, shorter, lesser text. You should not. It is also, you can take a call that you want to have less text on the mobile. It is completely fine. Okay, because it's better than frustrating someone with, like, for example, in management committee, if they were, instead of 5, if they were 15, you will need to have like a separate page. It can't be on the home page. It's too much of information on the home page. So you might have to take that call that on the mobile, this will be a different page. Okay. Okay, larger fonts. Okay, your fonts can be, now here it's fine. I think the fonts are fine, but you can for the mobile you can have a different font. Okay, text label above the field entry. That means here in the form, okay, now in this I mean, here it is given here, but I mean, this now in this case it is like very obvious, name, mobile. But suppose you are taking more data, then what you would have done is you would have put name here on top of the box. You would have put name here and given an example of the name, like Kaushik. Okay, Kaushik M. So you would have put the example here. You would have actually put the 10-digit mobile number. So you're making it very clear what is expected by giving an example, and on top of the box you're putting the label. Okay, so that is also a suggested way of doing it, especially when you're not taking the obvious things like name, mobile, email. You're asking different things like curriculum, how many years of, how old is the child, and background of parents. If you have like 5-6 such things, so then you have to design the form with care. If you know that people are going to fill it on the mobile, and more this is happening, people don't have the patience to like go back home and load the site on the laptop and then fill the form there. If whatever time of the day, wherever the person is, if the person can, you should make the form in such a way that it's easy to fill. Okay, that's called placeholder text, giving an example of what the input is in the form field. Okay, selection boxes. Okay, wherever possible, again, coming back to that ICICI example, ICICI CBSE example, you can just have a selection box instead of asking people, uh, asking people to type it out. And these selection boxes, what happens is, if you are doing email marketing based on this, you can have a segment based on that. Like if this field is CBSE, then that is a part of the CBSE segment of the database. So you can have those kinds of things also if it is, if it is selection based. Okay, because what happens if you ask the person to type, then first of all there could be mistakes, all those things come. Okay. uh, Eliminate pop-ups. So now in this, this was the pop-up which was there. I mean, one view could be that you can just eliminate it because it will not look good. I mean, that's again, this is a view. I mean, you have to actually check and see, if it is really causing a problem. So you can eliminate it. That means that you'll have less text. You won't have detailed information on the mobile, which we should discuss. It's fine, if you do that.